Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, to Bishop Briggs, Art of Survival, with a different song, with some attitude, and I like this one with difference. So, let's start right away. No need for any capo. We have a couple chords to go over. Let's start with the first chords here, and the E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and we'll add the third fret E for this E minor. Alright, next chord will be B7. So that's a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on B. Next chord will be C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So a variation of D, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B. And we will have 3rd E instead of 2nd, as it is usually, but this is the 3rd E. Fits for this song. Alright, so that's the chords, and we will play only downs for this song here. That is how we're gonna handle the chords. So it starts with the first verse. The chord progression here will be 8 downs on E minor, then 8 downs of B7, then 8 downs on C, then 4 G and 4 B7. So E minor 8, B7 8, C8, G4, B7 4. That will be for 2 rounds, and it goes pretty fast. So I'm gonna take you through 1 round, a little bit slower than standard tempo. So let's go, starting from E minor. And that is the first verse. That takes us to the first pre-chorus. In the lyrics, I can't read my minds in peace. Alright, so there you're gonna play exactly the same chord progression here like we played in the first verse, only for 1 round. So that means E minor 8, then B7 8, play this first round, then you are in the lyrics the trouble, doubt. So from there on, you're gonna play A minor 4, then B7 4, then E minor 4, then D4, then A minor 4 again, B7 4 again, and you end with 1 down on C plus a pause, and that is right before the chorus. So just to summarize this pre-chorus, the first round will play the same way as the 1 round in the verse. So E minor 8, B7 8, C8, G4, B7 4, and then it continues in the middle. We're still in the middle of this pre-chorus with A minor 4, B7 4, E minor 4, D4, A minor 4, B7 4, and 1 down on C. That takes us to the first chorus, okay? So the chord progression here will be the same as in the verse, which means E minor, B minor, C, G, and B minor. Now we will only play one down plus a clap for each chord. So like that, okay? And I suggest that you play this clap only on the E string, since if you play on all the strings, you will kill the sound. You want this to ring out and have the claps anyway. So one down and clap with your thumb, preferably on the E string. That lets the strings ring out. Sorry. So yeah, that was one round of that chord progression. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the chorus. Then comes a post-chorus, and that is the lyrics, the art of survival. So that's where it comes in. So here you will just play one down of E minor and another down on E minor. So the art of survival, the art of survival. So in art you play E minor, one down, and let it ring out. From now on, it's just repetition. Second verse played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus, but only the second part. So it's starting from the treble part there, which means A minor 4, B7 4, E minor 4, D4, A minor 4, B7 4, and C1 down. So that is the second part. You will play that for this second pre-chorus. All right, and that takes us to the final parts there. It's second chorus, post chorus, and so on. We don't have to divide in different parts. We'll just summarize. It's 6 rounds of the chorus play. So 6 rounds of E minor, clap, B, clap, C, clap, G, clap, B7, clap. And 6 rounds of that, and that will end Bishop Briggs' Art of Survival. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.